Check out this GMC 2022 Sierra 1500 Limited AT4. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 4SP, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, 18x8.5 machined aluminum wheels, 20x9 machined aluminum, wheel locks, set of 4, LPO, perforated front leather seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar and not equipped with heated ventilated front seats. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.